You feel it, don't you? Like your brain is a finely tuned machine running a software most people don't even have installed. They call it overthinking. They look at your messy desk or the way you talk to yourself and think it's strange. What if I told you that what they see as weird is actually evidence of a hidden genius? Psychology reveals that these behaviors are signs of a high-intelligence mind, a mind on a unique quest. It's time we step out of the ordinary world and cross the threshold. Welcome to the Psychology Hero's Journey, where we are decoding the secrets of your own brilliance, and the destination might surprise you. 1. The Monologue of Focus. Do you talk to yourself? If yes, then no, people might stare, but in the hero's journey of the mind, this is verbal reasoning. You aren't weird. You're organizing ideas and solving problems faster. It's how your brain stays locked on the target. Think of it as narrating your own movie. By externalizing your inner dialogue, you're actually reducing your cognitive load and freeing up RAM in your brain for complex calculations. It's a sign that your mind is too fast for silent thought alone, so it recruits your speech centers to keep pace. Do you ever find yourself mid-sentence before realizing someone else is in the room? 2. The maze of logic. Ever been told you overthink? If so, that's actually cognitive complexity. You aren't being indecisive. Your brain is a scout, examining every angle, consequence, and detail others miss before you choose the best path forward. While others see a simple yes or no, you see a 3D chessboard of potential outcomes. This mental simulation is exhausting, but it prevents you from making the shallow mistakes that trip others up. It's like having a built-in supercomputer that refuses to settle for the first answer it finds. Does your mind ever keep you up at night just because it found one more what if to solve? 3. The solitary trek. Do you prefer walking alone? You're not avoiding people. You're activating your brain's creative networks. Solitude is where your deepest thinking happens, giving your mind the vast space it needs. When you walk without the noise of conversation, to wander and connect the dots, your brain enters a state called the default mode network, which is the birthplace of eureka moments. Physical movement literally pumps more oxygen to your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain. It's why history's greatest philosophers and scientists were almost always solo walkers. Is a quiet stroll your version of a high-speed data download? 4. The chaos of efficiency. Is your desk a mess but your digital files are perfect? Psychology calls this selective organization. You don't waste energy on what doesn't matter. What looks like a chaotic lifestyle is actually peak mental efficiency. Your brain treats its attention like a limited currency, and it refuses to spend a penny on tidying up things that don't move the needle. A messy environment can actually spark more creative crosstalk between unrelated ideas. You aren't lazy. You're just prioritizing the deep work over the shallow optics. Do you have that one specific pile that looks like trash to others but is perfectly indexed in your head? 5. The flame of obsession. Ever dive into a random topic with intense, temporary focus? That's your dopamine-driven curiosity system at work. You aren't being strange. You're feeding a hungry mind that craves deep information. This hyperfocus is a trait often found in the top 1% of earners and thinkers, because it allows for rapid skill acquisition. You don't just learn a topic, you inhabit it until there are no secrets left. Once the dopamine reward for discovery fades, your brain naturally looks for the next frontier. What was the last rabbit hole you fell down that had you staying up until 3 a.m.? 6. The shield against small talk. Does surface-level chatter drain you? High IQ minds seek depth and meaning. You might stay quiet in a crowd, but when the topic gets complex, that's when you truly come alive. Small talk feels like white noise to a high-capacity brain because there's no new data to process. You would rather discuss the future of humanity or the mechanics of a black hole than the current weather. It's not that you're antisocial, you're just pro-substance. Have you ever felt your soul leave your body during a conversation about celebrity gossip? The ultimate boon. Here is the aha moment. If you talk to yourself, skip the small talk, or obsess over random facts, you aren't strange. Psychology shows your brain is simply operating on a deeper, more complex level than those around you. You've spent your life trying to fit into a box that was never designed for your dimensions. Accepting these habits isn't just a relief, it's the key to unlocking your full potential. You aren't broken, you're just highly optimized. The return. Now, you can return to your daily life knowing your odd habits are actually signs of a high-functioning mind. You've mastered the mystery of your own behavior. Go forth and talk to yourself, walk alone, and keep your desk as messy as you like. The science is on your side. You now have the permission to be exactly who your brain wants you to be. Want to keep uncovering the secrets of your personality and intelligence? Hit that subscribe button right now, because our next journey might explain a part of your mind you've never even noticed before.